down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and can lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Catawba, and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southeast of uptown Charlotte to near Indian Land, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Monroe, South Charlotte, East Charlotte, Matthews, Mint Hill, Indian Trail, Weddington, Stallings, Unionville, and Pineville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union.
Hello guys, it's me Weather Guru here, and today I'm doing a update collection video. It is Wednesday, May 4th, and the last one did a collection video was March the 28th, so it's been a month. And like I said, I do a collection video about every month or every 2 months, and I got a couple more radios, so, and I'm pretty bored, so why not do it while I have a little time. So, yeah, so we'll start off here like always. So here I have my V16 HH54. I got this as a parts. Well, it was 4 parts. The antenna cover was broken off, so I put some electrical tape on it. Holds it down pretty good. Other than that, I was missing the belt clip. Other than that, I made the backlight warm white. And, yeah. So pretty cool with that. And the charging dock is blue, which has been like that for a very long time. It's still glaring. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of uptown Charlotte, or near central Charlotte, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include uptown Charlotte, central Charlotte, South Charlotte, southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, northwest Charlotte, Matthews, Mint Hill, Fort Mill, and Stallings. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg and Union, and York, South Carolina. Flood advisory in effect. Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, York County in upstate South Carolina, eastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Gastonia to 11 miles southeast of Gaston, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include York, Kikotay, Clover, Newport, Blacksburg, Grover, Sharon, Hickory Grove, McConnells, and Smyrna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, and Mecklenburg, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. severe thunderstorm warning for central Charlotte County, northeastern Halifax County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm is located northwest of Clover, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keysville, Charlotte Courthouse, Clover, Drake's Branch, Mount Laurel, Williamsburg, and Sax. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cabarrus County, southeastern Iowa County, southwestern Rowan County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Statesville, or 5 miles east of Trout, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kannapolis, West Concord, Mooresville, China Grove, Landis, Indigo, Troutman, Cleveland, Faith, and Cotton Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Iredell, and Brand. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXL 42, operating on frequency 162.40 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Gaston County, in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. is possible. Moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dallas, Stanley, Rama, Westport, High Shoals, Boulder City, Iron Station, Krause, and Denver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties